Okay, good morning everyone. Morning traders, YouTubers, depending on where you are. Good evening. My name is Michael from Aegis.CMEG. So today is the June 18th, 2020. Time is 4 minutes before market open. So the starting lineup for the stock today to watch is CCL, AAL, UAL, NCLH, X, MGM, KR, and ENPH. So ENPH is some kind of yeah, some kind of energy company. Yeah, some as a software slash energy kind of company. So um, it's just up on. Yesterday was really bad for ENPH. Yeah. So uh, today market is slightly well, slightly flat. I think today market is slightly flat. So yeah. All right. So time is slightly 1 minute, I guess, for market open. So let's see, CCL is going up. It is just closing this above all of these moving averages. So it might be uh, so every time you stop closing above this all of these moving averages, usually a good candidate for long, usually, because these moving averages usually acting as a support, right? And you see this multiple support like these, then you know it's a probability game, and um, there's still a chance that the stock is gonna go up, right? So I don't know. Okay, market open. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Trying to go long on CCL. Yeah. CCL. Quick scalp on CCL. Hmm. So I'm going long on. Shit. That's not good. I'm nervous on the American airline. That's the problem with American Airlines. Yeah, piece of tea. Trying to go long on UAL. Too nervous, too nervous. Yeah, UAL. Ouch. I think the stock is just completely choppy right now. Okay, try to go short on Kroger, KR. Let's see if it drops. KR. Wow. KR. Wow, KR is dropping. Thing is, I already exit mode from my position, so wow, KR is very nice. I wish I'd hold a little bit more, but again, I I was losing twice in a row since yesterday. So technically, I'm not supposed to trade because I have this rule that if you lose two in a row, then you know. But I think I'll try to go one more time on UAL. Wow, Kruger KR is just completely wow. Alright, I'll try to go long. I'm sorry, short on KR again. It's a small size on this, so I'm expecting the shares to pull back at this 31.84, and then if it pulls back like that, I'm just gonna add a few more. Because right now my risk to reward is completely not good, right? I'm just expecting the stock to go down. Where's my risk to reward? Wow, the stock is yeah. So I'm just adding a little bit more my position. uh, I think it's gonna drop, but KR is going to drop. KR. All right, so I think I'm just gonna call it a day because the again, like I said, I was 2 days in the row negative yesterday and 2 days ago. So I'm not supposed. I have this particular rule, set of rule that I'm not supposed to trade when I am losing 2 days in a row. So right now I'm just getting back to my game. So it's just 1% of my account. So what I did is the in the beginnings, I tried to trade AAL. So AAL starting strong with this bullish engulfing, and it just retrace back to the 5 moving average. I try to go long, especially after this hanging man pattern, right? So or hammer or hanging man. So I try to go long, and then I quickly get stopped out. So that's for the AAL. I think the on yeah AL I lose money, and then UAL is also the same thing. UAL I try to go long, and then for some reason I try to think that this dash line here is acting as as a support, but it just breached through, and then I do not want to take any chance. I just quickly get out. These one I think I have to admit I'm a little bit nervous, especially after this drop right here. So again, I'm not making enough on these, so I try to go long in here, but I don't know, some reason I get cold feet, I get quickly get out. So that's the UAL. So the biggest winner that I had is KR. Yeah, Kroger dropping. I probably should wait. I know, but the thing. All right. So Kroger, the stock has been hammered down, right? And then it's just starting weak on the beginning, and then it's just. Oh, look at this. One. Yeah. So I should enter short in here. I should enter short in here. I know it's just gonna drop, right? But you know, wishful thinking doesn't help when you trade. So again, so this one is I know just like this one, right? I know this one is just gonna drop, right? That's just because I'll just enter with a little bit heavier size at 200 shares, and then quickly scalp next to this. I mean near to this support line right here. So I quickly scalp, but I probably now in retrospect I probably should keep some shares. You know, it's just keep going down. Again, in here, I try to enter short, but I know that this is the stock is going to retrace. So when it retraces, I add more, and then the stock just keep going down. But then I get cold feet again, right? This is really bad trading. So I get cold feet again, and then just quickly get out, not knowing that the stock is keep going down. So that's for the KR. So another thing that I win is CCL. CCL in the beginning, yeah. CCL. Why do I do? Why I jumped in on CCL? Because I realized that in the pre-market, this is getting. So, if I look at the pre-market pattern, look at this. Yeah, look at this 15 minutes pre-market pattern. So it's just the stock is just on the way trending up, right? So I'm just riding the wave, and then when the stock closes above this VWAP, I'll just enter long and then quickly scalp. So yeah, so that's in retrospect, I probably should take more size, but again, this is a wishful thinking. It doesn't help when you're trading. So yeah, so today not much. It's just trying to get back to my after a series of losses. Um, or 2 days after 2 days of losing streak. So yeah, so yep, today is $40, is slightly less than 1%, but then again, I just trying to get used to again, because actually today I'm not supposed to trade. So okay, my name is Michael. I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So follow me tomorrow if you like, 8:30, 9:30 in the evening, same time as today.